So I was looking at my analytics the other day, and I've noticed that my videos, unfortunately, have had a bit of a decline in popularity. And I've been thinking about ways of improving my popularity. So guess what, boys? We're bringing back the tech videos. In our last tech video, we looked at tables, but today we're talking about the popular modern day subject. We're talking about Polaroid. It's very modern. Unlike tables, of course. Tables are old. Never been told that before by a lady. So I've never shot with a OneStep Plus before, but I think we're gonna have a bit of fun today. Let's shoot some stuff. Wow, what a lovely shot. Something important about Polaroid's film is you have to immediately shield it away from the light. So we'll quickly do that. And we'll just wait a few minutes. It'll make sure no light gets on there. Personally, I found the ergonomics on this camera to be a little bit awkward. It's a pretty weird, cumbersome shape. It looks cool, don't get me wrong. There's a, I'm not gonna say vintage, I'm gonna say modern aesthetic to it because this is a modern piece of technology. Anyhow, let's go and find our next photo. If you'd follow me, Mr. Cameraman. For the second shot, we're gonna switch things into portrait mode, which allows us to get a little bit closer, as standard allows us to shoot from 0.6 meters to infinity, and portrait allows you to shoot between 0.3 and 0.9 meters. And that's definitely one of the key features about the OneStep Plus. It's got dual lenses, which allows us to take two different focal planes. And I'll show you with this second shot. And yet again, we shield this thing from the light. I think we got a nice photo up here. Shield that thing really quick. If you don't shield it really quick, you're gonna ruin the photo. So we have a few different buttons on this camera. We got the on and off switch, which turns it on and off. Flash cancel button, you just hold it down while you take a photo. Up here we got our lens change. Then on the other side, we've got the shutter button. Over here we got a plus. I don't know what it does. And then we got a minus and a plus, and I also don't know what they do. However, a positive plus a negative plus a positive equals a positive. Hence it's called the OneStep Plus and not the OneStep Neutral. That is a really nice texture. And I think you get the drill by now. It's time to wait. I'm doing this video to get more popularity on YouTube so I can make more money. However, making this video has cost me over $30. So make sure you smash like, you subscribe, and I don't know, send me some money or something. I'll put a donation link in the description. And you know what? I'll even sell these photos $100 each. And if you pay $200, I'll even sign them for you. This isn't a joke. I genuinely made a Patreon. I wonder if this joke's getting old yet. Wow. This is my last shot, so hopefully it turns out as good as it looks through the viewfinder. Hit the button. Oh. Push it on. Make sure you shade it up. It's not getting old, is it? No. There you go.
Do you know what time it is?
No! That's not very funny. The next comment says, Cozi time, best time. You're absolutely f***ing right. Dr. Disrespect, he is your uncle. Yeah, I can't read that comment, sorry. I'm not part of One Nation. Oh, it would have been much better if that Jaden didn't interrupt me. Disappointed. We also got some new comments for some new people, brand new to the community. Blue's Belly Fat says, and Blue Soul says, I have tried numerous diets over more than 3 decades. I don't like these spam comments. I don't want your life story. I really just don't care. And I bet you guys thought I was gonna jump in the pool for a second. But I'm not gonna do that with my shoes on, am I? Am I?